viewers, in this video I'll be demonstrating on how to navigate a worksheet in Microsoft Excel using shortcut keys. If you want to move the cell pointer to up, down, left or right side of the current cell, you can use arrow keys available on your keyboard. Now here you can see I'll be selecting one cell in this worksheet, and here if you want to move to left, you can press left arrow key, then automatically the selection of the cell will be moving to the left cell. If you want to move the selection of the cell pointer to right side, you can use right arrow key like this. If you want to move the cell pointer to upwards, you can use up arrow key on the keyboard like that. You can move to upwards. If you want to move the cell pointer to downwards, you can use down arrow key like this. If you want to move the cell pointer to the next cell in the same row, you can use tab key on the keyboard. You can use tab key. For example, now the cell pointer is here. So here, if I'm pressing the tab key, it will be moving to the next cell in the same row like this. If you want to move back the cell pointer to the previous cell in the same row, you can use shift key and tab like this. Together you can press shift key and tab. Together you can press. If you want to move the cell pointer to one cell down in a column, for example, now I'll be selecting column H, then I'll be clicking one cell in column H. Now if you would like to move the cell pointer to the next down cell, one cell down in the same column, you can press enter key on your keyboard. So it will be moving to the next cell in the same column down like that. If you want to move the cell pointer to the first cell in a row, for example, now the cell pointer is here. If you want to move the cell pointer to the first cell in this row, you can use home key. So normally home key will be available on your number pad itself. Now I just pressed home key. At the same moment you can see that the cell pointer has moved to the first cell in the same row like that. If you want to move the cell pointer to the first cell of the current worksheet, you can press Control key and home key together. So I'll be selecting Control key and home key together now. See, now you can see that the cell pointer is automatically, it's moved to the first cell of the current worksheet. So our worksheet is navigating a worksheet. This is the third worksheet where I'm demonstrating this video. So the first cell of this worksheet is A1. Always in every worksheet the first cell is A1, column A and row number 1. So it's automatically selected after pressing Control key and home key. Next you can see page up and page down. Now if we are pressing page down, the cell pointer will move to one screen down. So let's see what will happen if we press page down. then you can see the change automatically. One page down, the screen was scrolling down one page down. Then the same way, if the cell pointer is here, if you want to move one screen up, you can use page up. So automatically it's moved one page up. No need to use horizontal bar or scroll bar, and no need to use the mouse. So everything you can use on your keyboard keys to navigate the worksheet or to move the cell pointer from one cell to any other cell. I hope that you got various kinds of information regarding navigating a worksheet in Microsoft Excel using a key or different key combinations. Thanks for watching the video.